Wooden craft projects have become increasingly popular in modern interior design, offering unique opportunities to blend aesthetics with functionality. The warmth and natural beauty of wood resonate with contemporary tastes, allowing for a variety of creative expressions that enhance living spaces. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will delve into several wooden craft project ideas that cater to modern interiors, illustrating how these pieces can transform environments while reflecting personal style. So watch the video until the end to see our today's content and get inspiration. Wood as a material possesses a timeless appeal that contrasts beautifully with the sleek lines and cool surfaces often found in modern interiors. Its rich textures and varied grains can soften the rigidity of contemporary design, creating a more inviting atmosphere. The tactile quality of wood invites touch and interaction, making spaces feel alive and warm. Incorporating wooden crafts into modern interiors allows homeowners to personalize their spaces while embracing sustainable practices. Many artisans focus on using reclaimed wood, which not only adds character but also tells a story. Each piece carries a history that can evoke nostalgia and appreciation for craftsmanship, making wooden decor not just functional but meaningful. One of the most impactful ways to incorporate wooden crafts into modern interiors is through art. Wooden wall art can serve as a striking focal point in any room. Imagine a large piece crafted from various types of wood, displaying different shades and textures. This not only draws the eye but also adds depth to the space. The process begins with selecting the right materials. Using reclaimed wood or combining different species can create a beautiful contrast. For instance, pairing lighter woods like birch with darker woods such as walnut can produce a stunning visual effect. The crafting process can involve cutting the wood into geometric shapes or organic forms, allowing for a blend of contemporary and rustic aesthetics. Once the piece is assembled, finishing touches like sanding and applying a natural oil can enhance the wood's color and grain, bringing the artwork to life. This approach to wooden art not only beautifies a wall but also creates an emotional connection, as each piece reflects the artisan's vision and creativity. In modern interiors, functional furniture crafted from wood can significantly enhance both style and usability. Items like coffee tables, benches, and side tables can be designed with a contemporary flair, focusing on clean lines and practicality. A coffee table, for instance, can be more than just a surface, it can become a statement piece that ties the room together. Consider a coffee table made from a single slab of live-edge wood. This design showcases the natural shape of the tree, highlighting its organic beauty. The tabletop can be complemented by minimalist metal legs, creating a contrast that emphasizes both the wood's warmth and the modern aesthetic. Such a piece not only serves as a functional surface for drinks and books, but also acts as a conversation starter. A bench is another versatile project that can fit seamlessly into modern interiors. A simple design with a sturdy wooden top and minimalist legs can provide additional seating in a dining area or entryway. The bench can be finished in a light stain to maintain its natural appearance, allowing it to blend with various decor styles. Adding cushions can further enhance its comfort and functionality, making it an inviting spot for relaxation. Storage solutions are essential in modern interiors, and wooden crafts can provide stylish and functional options. Wooden crates and boxes can be designed to fit into specific spaces, serving as both decorative elements and practical storage solutions. Imagine a series of wooden crates stacked in a corner, used to hold books or decorative items. This not only adds character but also keeps the space organized. Creating a custom wooden bookshelf can also elevate a room's design. A bookshelf that incorporates open shelving and closed storage can offer versatility. The open shelves can display beautiful books and decorative objects, while the closed compartments can hide away clutter. Using contrasting wood finishes can further enhance the visual appeal, adding depth to the design. Another innovative storage idea is crafting a wooden wall organizer. This can include hooks for keys, a small shelf for mail, and compartments for other essentials. By mounting this piece near the entrance, you create a functional area that keeps everyday items easily accessible while maintaining a clean and organized look. Incorporating wooden crafts into your home allows for personal expression through decor. Handmade wooden picture frames can beautifully showcase cherished memories. By crafting frames from different wood types, you can create a cohesive look that reflects your style. A gallery wall with mismatched frames can add a dynamic element to a hallway or living room, while uniform frames can create a more streamlined appearance. Another personalized wooden craft idea is creating custom signs or nameplates. These can be used to label rooms, mark favorite quotes, or even display house numbers. The process involves selecting wood, cutting it to the desired shape, and either painting or using wood-burning techniques to add text or designs. Such signs not only serve a functional purpose, but also add a layer of character and warmth to the home. When it comes to decor ideas, scrap wood can be used to create items that add warmth and character to any space. For example, wooden wall art is a popular choice among crafters. By combining various sizes and types of scrap wood, artists can create stunning pieces that serve as focal points in living rooms or entryways. The beauty of such projects lies in their organic nature. No two pieces are alike, reflecting the unique grain and texture of the wood used. As sustainability becomes increasingly important in modern design, crafting with wood offers opportunities to embrace eco-friendly practices. Utilizing reclaimed wood not only adds character to your projects, but also minimizes environmental impact. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries a history, giving your crafts a unique narrative that resonates with buyers and visitors alike. Incorporating sustainable practices into your crafting process can also attract a market that values eco-conscious products. Highlighting the sourcing of your materials and the techniques used can enhance the appeal of your crafts. For instance, creating items with non-toxic finishes and adhesives further promotes the sustainability of your work, making it suitable for families and individuals concerned about health and the environment. By focusing on sustainable crafting, you contribute to a growing movement that prioritizes responsible consumption and design. This approach not only benefits the planet but also creates a lasting legacy for future generations. Wooden craft projects offer a wealth of possibilities for enhancing modern interiors. From stunning wall art and functional furniture to personalized decor and sustainable practices, the versatility of wood allows for creative expression that resonates with contemporary design principles. Each piece crafted from wood adds warmth, character, and a sense of connection to nature, enriching the living environment. Whether you are creating functional items for personal use or unique pieces for sale, the journey of crafting with wood is both rewarding and fulfilling. Embracing the beauty and potential of wooden crafts allows you to transform your space into a reflection of your style and values. In a world where mass-produced items dominate, handcrafted wooden decor stands out as a testament to artistry, craftsmanship, and a deep appreciation for the natural world. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.